Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you make a frame on your Instagram story. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Then, tap the plus icon, usually located at the top of your screen, to begin creating a new story. Next, choose a photo or video from your phone's gallery that you wish to use as the background for your story. This will be the canvas for your creative frame design. Once you have your background, tap the sticker icon, which looks like a square smiley face. In the search bar, type terms like frame, border, or aesthetic to find a wide array of options. You will discover many animated GIF and static stickers. Select one that catches your eye, then easily resize and reposition it with 2 fingers to perfectly frame your chosen content, making it truly stand out. To add a personal touch, use the drawing tool, represented by a squiggly line. You can hand-draw unique borders and shapes, selecting from various brush types and a full spectrum of colors to match your story's vibe. Don't forget to use the text tool as well. Experiment with different fonts and colors to add captions or decorative elements, further enhancing your custom frame design. Before sharing, take a moment to preview your story to ensure your new frame looks exactly as you envisioned. Once satisfied, tap your story to share it with all your followers or choose close friends for a more private audience. For safekeeping, tap the download icon, which looks like an arrow pointing down, to save your beautifully framed story directly to your device's gallery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.